How's it going, guys? Mcfgotmillk here and welcome back to another auto video. Today I'll be telling you a few things that you will never ever want to do to an automatic transmission, for example the minivan. So I know I've been using the minivan for a lot of examples, but my Explorer's in the shop right now getting fixed, and right now I don't have it, obviously, so the minivan is why I'm using so much examples. But again, in this video I'm going to tell you 5 things to not do to your automatic transmission. As always, guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. It's free, so why not do it for me? So the first thing I just got to talk to you about, because it's kind of hard to show you in the minivan because the minivan's engine's really small and just it's not a lot of space to show you. So do not drive through water. Self-explanatory. Both automatic transmissions, there's vents. There's little teeny tiny vents that have to allow pressure to get out because inside the fluid gets really hot, contracts and expands, and if you get water in those vents, it's gonna suck up the vent. It's gonna suck water up the vent, sorry, and it's gonna completely, pretty much get water in your transmission, and that is not what you want to do. Another self-explanatory is you do not want to be in drive and be going and then accidentally going to reverse and then pushing the gas pedal. That will completely destroy the transmission. Usually you'll see they have the gear shift here for automatics, just like how they have for manuals. But on this one, which is a good idea, you have it up here. So you have to put, obviously, just a regular gear shift. So you don't, it's a lot less frequent for it to happen here. But you get teens and inexperienced drivers who will play around with their friends and they'll play around with it and drive, reverse, gas pedal, and then next thing you know it, boom, done. New transmission, and it costs, depends on the car, thousands and thousands of dollars. The third thing's pretty simple, pretty obvious. If you're sitting in your car and do not leave it in drive if you're idling. What will happen is when you're in drive and you're at like on a highway, standstill stop, put it in the park, because if you have it in drive, you're going to completely overheat the engine because there's no air that's cooling down the whole inside. So if you're sitting in drive, everything's still spinning and creating heat, and you will damage your transmission. Fourth thing is do not do burnouts. Self-explanatory, you'll fry stuff. It's just, it's a no-go, just don't do it. Last but not least, change your transmission fluid. I understand that they say you don't need to change transmission fluid because it's good as long as the transmission is good. Think about it this way, transmission fluid gets dirty as well. So if transmission fluid gets dirty, harder for it to go through the transmission, causes the transmission to work harder, wears out. Self-explanatory, chain reactions. Change your transmission fluid for every about 80,000 miles. It'll keep your car running, it'll love you for it, just like changing your oil all the time. The car will love you for it. Alright guys, that's 5 reasons why or what not to do with an automatic transmission. If I helped you in any way, shape or form, give me a like, let me know in the comments below. I love doing these videos for you guys because I feel like I'm not a mechanic, but I feel like I can really help you guys that don't know anything about cars. But as always guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and have a great day.